How to fix keyboard not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix keyboard not working in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply right click on your Windows, go with Device Manager. Under your Device Manager, you need to go with the keyboard section. And under your keyboard, you need to just select your keyboard, right click on it, go with Properties. Under Properties, you need to go with Driver and then go with Update Driver. Here you will have two options. If you're connected to an internet connection, then you can go with search automatically for drivers. And if it says that it has already been installed, then you can go back to the previous page and go with browse my computer for drivers. And go with let me pick from a list of available drivers and select the driver, go with next and install the driver or update the driver. Once you updated the drivers, you just need simply go back and your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then you just need simply go with your settings. Open up your settings. You can just right click on your Windows and from here also you'll have the settings option. Just go with settings and it will take you to your settings. Now under settings, you need to go with on-screen keyboard or touch keyboard. Here on the bottom right, you will have the touch keyboard. You can just simply click on it and you will have the touch keyboard, right? And you can search for on-screen keyboard and you will have the on-screen keyboard option right here. You need to go and enable it and you will have your on-screen keyboard. Now once you have your on-screen keyboard, you just need to simply go back and you need to search for regedit. So go with search and under search you need to search for regedit. Here you will have registry editor. Just click on registry editor and just click on yes. And under your registry editor you need to enter an address which is HK local machine. So go with HK local machine. Under your HK local machine you need to go with system. Under system go with current control set. Under current control set, you need to go with services. And here you will have services, right? And here you need to find the service, which is i8042PRT. You just need to simply go with this option. Once you click on it, here on the right side, you will have start. Just double click on the start and you need to enter the value data as 1. Go with OK. After that, you just need to simply close that and restart your computer. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.